Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Zoom. You will click on settings and you will enter. Then in this page you will click on this sign or on this window of apps and you will enter. Then you can click on this sign of search and search apps and you can search about Zoom. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.